Welcome students. In this tutorial we will discuss about the Python lists. In previous tutorial we have learned about the strings in Python and how we can manipulate the strings, how we can work upon the strings. In similar way, there is another topic that is list in the Python. Basically, there are some structures in sequences in Python like string, list, tuple, set and dictionaries. All these structures or sequence collect the various data and store in one name location, and all the stored data can access along with their indexes, and in dictionary it can access with keys. Now list is a collection in which it is ordered and changeable. That means the element of a list are in ordered and it can be changed. Python lists are written with square brackets, when elements of a list always enclosed between square brackets. And this is example. This list, it is a variable of list type, and first value is apple, second banana and third one is the cherry, and all are enclosed in the square bracket. That means it is a list type sequence. Print this list, the output will be like this. This will be the output. When you can identify that output is also enclosed in square bracket, it means it is a output of any list type sequence or structure. Now how to access the elements of list? Suppose this is the list, and we already learned in strings that the elements of strings, mean the character of strings, is stored along with their index. Similarly, in the list, the elements of list also stored along with their index. The index start from 0, 1, 2 and so on. These are the positive index. If we use the negative index, then the first negative index will be -1 and -2. So these are the sequence of indexes in negative case. It is similar to string. To access any element of string, we simply put up the index in the square bracket along with the list name. That means the list element of index 1 will display, that is banana. Now negative indexing, as I know you that negative indexes always start with -1. -1 index given to the last element of the list. If I want to display this element, what I have to do? List name, and within the bracket put up the index name. Index is -1, so cherry will display. If I want to display the apple by using negative index, then I have to put up here, what I have to put up? -3, because the index of banana is -3. sorry, apple is -3 and banana is -2. Now range of index. We can specify range of index by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When specify a range, then return value will be a new line with specified items. Suppose this is a list. This time it is with the more elements. These all are the element of the list, and every list element can be accessed along with their index, as you know. And we are using the range, that is the slicing. Basically it is slice. We are using here it is slice. Okay, slice also used in the string and now again we are using here slicing. In slicing, the first value is 2, mean 2 is the index number and 5 is the last index number. But as you know, the last index number always excluded, mean it will not carry with the result. The index number 2 is, this one is 0 index and 1 index, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one is 6. These are total 6 indexes, and we have to print from second index, mean cherry will display, 3 orange will display, 4 kiwi will display. Index is given 5 but 5 is excluded, that means it will not display, only the cherry, orange and kiwi this will be display. And because it is a list, so the output that will enclose in square bracket. Now the search will start at index number 2 and up to index number 4. 5 will not include. Now range of negative indexes, that is the slice of negative. Here again the same example, -4 to -1. What is the -4? -1 and -2, -3, and this one is -4. Now -4 is this one. First of all print the orange, after then kiwi, after then melon, and it is the -1. -1 is excluded, only orange, kiwi and melon. 3 result will be displayed into the output. Change of the item, because list is a type of structure which is value can be changed, when it is mutable we can change the elements. Suppose it is the list and list 1 and 1 is the index here. At the index 1 we will put the black currant. Okay. The black currant value will be put at the index number 1. This is index 0, 1 and 2. Now banana will replace by the black currant. If we print the list, what will be the display? It will display like this. Now loop through a list. How we can use a loop on the list? Now the list is banana, apple, banana and cherry. For x in this list, the x variable will work on given list and read one by one element and then print. Basically in is operator, it is the membership operator. In is membership operator. Okay. What the role of membership operator? Membership operator, and there are two examples of a membership operator, in and not in. In and not in both give the result boolean result, true or false. If the x finds the value into this list, then it will return true. If x not find any value in the list, then it will return false. How it runs? X read the first value apple, that means it find the value, it will return true. Then this block will execute. Second, the x will find the value banana, so that means the in operator will return true, the print will display. And then cherry will find, and the in operator will return true, the print x cherry will be displayed. After then the x will read from the list, but there is no element to read, so that means in operator will return false, and in false situation the block will not execute. So it is the logic about the membership operator. Now check in item exist or not exist. So this can use with the in operator. For example, it is a list, and if apple in this list, now this is if condition, complete this is if condition, and we can use like this. Okay, if this apple in this list, if the apple is exist into the complete list, then it will return true, and apple is not exist in complete list, that means it will return false. If return true, then the statement will execute, and if return false, the statement will not execute. Now list of length, these are some inbuilt functions. How we can find the list of length? We have already learned the list of length of string. To determine how many items in list, the len function, len method will be used, similar to string. Now this is list having element 3, len this list output will be 3. This one is the complete one element, second element, and third element. Every element separated by the comma. Now how to add element? We can also add the element, because list is mutable. We can add another element, we can change element, we can delete element. Okay, to add an element, there is a function append, there is also a function extend. Okay, we can add new element in the list by using append function, and this is example. This list dot append, we are appending the orange. Now orange will place at the end of string, sorry, end of list. Okay, because list is ordered, not the unordered, it is ordered. So where you want to add, at that location it will be added. So orange will add at the end of list. Now insert the element. Okay, and this was the append the element. Append the element will add the element at the end of list, where insert element will add the element where you want to insert. Example, 3 elements are given in list and now I want insert, and the function is insert function. Okay. Dot insert, I is index. What is I? I is index. Okay. And orange is the value. So that means orange value will insert at the index number 1, and this is 0 index and this one is the 1 index, and we are using 1 index for the orange. That means banana will shift to the next index and this will store at the 1 index. Now what is the output? Look at here, apple, orange. Orange comes at the index number 1 and this is index number 2 and 3. 0 index, 1 index. So we can insert the element at our desired location. Now how to remove the element? If I want to remove the element, then the function is remove function. There is also another function is pop function. Another one is the clear also. A remove function is used when we have a list element. It is important. Remove function when it will be work when we have a list element to remove, then it will be work. If we do not have an element to provide it, then we cannot use the remove function. Now banana is given, so that means banana will be removed. The pop function, what the pop function will work? Pop function will remove the element from the end of list. If index is not given, so that means it will remove the last index element. But if we have the index, then we can also provide the index to the list. Example, this list dot pop, that means cherry will be delete because it is the last index element. So result is apple and banana. And one another is keyword, that is del keyword. Del keyword remove the specified index. It is also used with the index. Okay, and we are using del this list and 0. That means 0 index element will be removed, apple will be removed. Similarly, we can also use here, for example, I want to remove this list dot pop and 1. Okay, what will happen if I run this one? So that means 1 is the index, 1 is index, that is for the banana. In this case, banana will delete, but if I do not pass the 1, that time it will remove the last index. Pop function can work with both with index and without index, and remove function always work with element, and del function it used to delete any element as per the index. And here we can also write like this list dot del this list, and we can pass suppose 1:3. Now what will happen? It is the slice of 1 or 3, mean index number 1, 2, index number 1 and 2, banana and cherry, both the element will remove. Okay, so we can delete the slice also. And one another, what we can do, del this list. This time what will happen? The complete list will delete. So we can delete the list by using del keyword. Okay, this is also given here. Del keyword can also delete the list completely. Del this list, when we print, then error will be generated. Which type of error? Name error, mean name is not found. Okay, one another function is also clear method. Clear method, when we have to use clear to clear all the elements of list without any condition. There is no condition to clear it. If we put up dot clear, all element will be removed from the list and the list will be empty. Okay, now what happen if I use del this list and this list dot clear? What is the difference between both? Del will delete the list and remove from the memory, but clear will delete the elements, but the list will still exist into the memory, but it is empty. Now copy a list. How we can copy list? Okay, a copy function is used in build function is copy. We can copy, for example, this list is given, okay, and my list equal to this list dot copy. That means we are copying this complete list and store into this my list. Okay, print my list, it will display same as the this list. Okay. It is a list method. It is important. Why we use it? Basically we use it to create a list from any sequence. Okay, for example, I am using lst equal to 2, 4, 5 and lst 2 equal to list 3, 5, 7. What is difference between both? lst is a variable, okay, and the type of lst is list. How we identify? Because the element stored in the list are enclosed between square bracket. That means it is a list variable. But how we can identify that list 2 is also list type? Because the list function is used to create 3, 5, 7 values into list. 3, 5, 7 values convert into list and store into lst2. So that means list function is used to create a type of list by using any sequence. Now join the list. How we can join two lists? We can use the operator plus operator. We can join, for example, list 1 and list 2 and list 3 equal to list 1 plus list 2, and output of list 3 is like this. Okay, the first list element will be displayed at the first and the second list element will display at the later. Now this is another example. List 1 and list 2. For x in list 2, we are running a loop on the list 2. Okay. And list 1 dot append function. Append function used to add the element at the end of the existing list. List 1 dot append. That means we are adding the element into the list 1 and the element comes from the list 2. List 1 is ABC and the first element of list 2, second element of list 2, third element of list 2 also merged into the list 1. Now append, there is also important function, that is extend method. Okay, extend method, the purpose of extend method is to add elements from one list to another list. We can add multiple elements there. Example, list 1 is given, 2 is given, list 1 dot extend and list 2. Now what happened now? Print list 1 and the value of list 1 is like this. And list constructor, this is also a list constructor, we have already learned it. We can use the list function to create any list by using the sequences. So these are the description summary of the functions which we have used. Append function and clear function, clear the element, and copy one list to the another. Count mean it will count a particular element in the list. Suppose there is a list and I want to count that how many time banana element repeats in the list. That time I have to use the count function. Okay, extend functions, okay, element of a list can be add at the end of the current list. Okay, and return the index of the first element, that is index always return index of first element with specified value. And insert function, insert the value at the specified index. Pop function, remove the last element if index not given, and if index is given it will remove the specified given index value. Remove function always remove the element that is provided as parameter, and reverse it will use to find the reverse of the list. Sort function used to sort the list. Okay, so we can use sort function like this, similar to this. And for example, lst equal to 2 4 1 3 7 5. This is list and I want to print lst dot sort and this, it will sort the list in ascending order. By default it is ascending order. And another function is print lst dot sort and reverse equal to true. Okay, now this function will reverse equal to true. It so that the element will order sorted in descending order. Now that's all from the list. Thank you.